got these very funky little pasties. Lightsaber. It's got lightsaber sounds in the lift. No way. No way. Mission logbook with some goodies in. But we got this on the bed here. Mission Bermudes. Sean Evans, lift hills and thrills. Oh, goodies. This is insane. We've even got some space food. That's really tasty. I'm so happy. We got like this little iPad-y thingy. There we go. And put it into night mode. Ooh, romantic. I feel as though I need to call some sort of higher power to kind of beam me up, you know, like beam me up, Scotty. Actually, we're in France, so beam me up, Pierre. Well, I can't do the video like this. Can someone beam me some clothes, please? Oh, that's way better. Way better. Right, on with the tour. Oh! It's a comfy bed! I feel like Neil Armstrong! Let's go in here. We've got bunk bedios. We've got some storage compartments with its own little light. And we've got some stuff in here. Then in here, we have a toilet. Probably not the best place to be recording a video, but imagine if you just had a little window there, a little space window, looking into space and stuff's flying past. It'll just make this room a little bit more exciting. A little rainfall shower, you got like the spacey age sort of shower wall there, this little divider, very cool. Even the taps are cool. And some more little soaps and amenities, lots of glasses I'm seeing, lots of glasses. Just flicking every switch I can find at the moment, and I can't get over how cool this looks. Okay, I've definitely found the negative. It's like 30 degrees outside, and this doesn't go any cooler than 18 degrees, and I cannot feel any like cooling in the room whatsoever. You can't put it down. It doesn't seem to go any lower than 18. This you can barely feel, so you have to crack these windows open. I mean, it's authentic. It's like being on friggin' Mars. Just look how cool this corridor is, man. Let's see. Just got into the lift and the door was closing. I was like, who's that? Opens the door, it's Michael Mack. He's had a lovely chat about the new film coming out in the summer and everything. This is how you theme a space bar. Who you gonna call? Timu Ghostbusters. We've even got a spaceship outside. What's going on? Hello, fellow space nerds. Hi. Not as cool as the other glasses, but you have to pay for the cocktails to get all the cool stuff. This is fruit juice, which is complimentary as part of our invite. So thank you very much for keeping me sober, Futuroscope. It's bloody needed, isn't it? Yeah, that's fresh. As we just stepped out of our hotel, there's a pizza, a pizza like vending machine. Hot or cold? Hot. Okay, confirm. This is ace. I've never used one of these before. It's fucking boiling. It might be famous last words, but that's actually, for size to value, that's actually really good value. It's sickly, but it's nice. A Futuroscope. Really nice. Yeah. Take it to the room. Even these little bunk beds are comfy, you know, like dead spongy mattress, really comfy. Love this little nightlight effect. I love that, it's so cool. There's a lovely little reading light up here and loads of space up here as well. Can you keep the noise down though? I'm literally trying to get some sleep. Nice. We've got it to ourselves this morning. It's so early. So early. A little bit different. You scan your card. Actually took the screens away at Alton Towers, so that wasn't great, as everyone struggles to get signal in there. So we got pancakes, we got other hot food, salmon, beans and sausage, got some eggs. Oh, you forgot the eggs.
You didn't go that far.
Yeah, you got the eggs. And then you just choose what you want, add it to your order, scan the card, and it comes down. There we go. Bon appetit. I'm still blown away. This is an incredible hotel. Huge thanks to Futuroscope for having me out and to having me involved in this Mission Bermudes press day experience. Yeah, it's crazy. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hit the like button, subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.